again, I'm Mitch, and for today, since it's Christmas season, we will be doing Blackforest Cake, okay? So, my Blackforest consists of chocolate cake, whipped cream, and then cherry filling. Okay, so for the ingredients, I have here all-purpose flour, hot water or warm water, baking powder, baking soda, salt. I have vanilla extract, granulated white sugar, cocoa powder, that's Burial's cocoa powder, vegetable oil, and 5 pieces eggs. Let's start. In your bowl, no need of mixer ha. So in your bowl, mix in your flour, baking powder, baking soda, and your salt, as well as your granulated sugar. Okay? Yan. For those who don't have mixer, you can follow this recipe. Okay? And then, set aside, mix natin si warm water together with our cocoa powder. I'm using Burial's cocoa powder. And then, you can mix in your vanilla extract. Mix mo lang until smooth. And then, go back to your dry ingredients. Make a well at the center. Then, put your vegetable oil. You can use vegetable or corn oil. Your eggs. And then, lastly, your cocoa mixture. Okay, mix nyo lang by hand until smooth. Tapos, pour into two 9-inch baking pan. Where's my baking pan? Lined with baking paper. Divide mo into two. Tapos, you bake this one around 30 to 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? So, this is your chocolate cake. Bake na natin? Okay, so while the cake is baking, let's proceed to the frosting and filling. I have here Bunch non-dairy whipping cream. Whip natin to para ready na later pag-decorate. Okay? So, this is ready to whip. Very easy. Tapos, ang gusto ko kay Bunch is very white siya. Yan, medyo malapit na yan. And then, for your cherry filling, para sa cherry filling, I'm using DLA cherry filling. Okay? Sorry, ang nalagay dito is the blueberry. Pabayaan nyo yung blueberry. It should be cherry. Kailangan basta Blackforest, cherry yung filling, and then whipped cream, and then chocolate cake. And this is done already. Yan, your chocolate cake is baked already. Chill muna natin mga 30 minutes and then remove sa pan tapos i-level natin yung taas niya. Okay? Yan, so here's our first layer of cake. Tapos fill natin with when you say Blackforest, dapat may cherry brandy siya. But if you don't like Yan. So, after crumb coating, add ka again ng whipping cream. And then this time, kailangan malinis na ang pagkaka-coat. Yan. So, after frosting, with whipping cream, chill muna natin to. And then, let's make the decorations. And then, for your decoration, I have here Burial's dark chocolate. Minelt ko siya, tapos lagay natin dito sa piping bag. Okay? Wala akong dinagdag ha. Si Burial's dark chocolate lang to. I have here baking paper. Bakewell na baking paper. Okay? So, yung size niya is depende kung anong size ng cake mo. Okay? Tapos, yung taas, depende rin sa circumference ng cake. Okay? Circumference. Okay? Then, cut, konti. Huwag mong lakihan. Okay? Tapos, drizzle mo lang. Okay? Si chocolate very shiny, and then after 5 minutes medyo mag-dull yan. So ready to wrap na yan. Yan. There you go. Ay, kulang ng tama eh. Malayo lang talaga siya. There you go, your Blackforest cake. Okay? Merry Christmas, everyone! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Ay, by the way, happy birthday to my cousin Adrian, Motorista Adventure. Do subscribe also his channel, guys. Okay? Enjoy baking! Merry Christmas!